Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what bass is and how it relates to the music we make. In music production, bass refers to the lower frequencies in a sound spectrum, typically ranging from 20 to 250 Hz. It's not just an instrument, but a foundational component that gives music depth and body. A bass sound can come from various sources, like the deep notes of a bass guitar, synthetic bass sounds from a keyboard, or even digital bass samples. Each type of bass sound brings its unique texture to a track. Just to be clear, there is a difference between bass and bass guitar. Bass is the lower range of sound. Bass guitar is the instrument that produces those sounds. In production, managing bass is important. Too much, and your mix can become muddy. Too little, and your track might sound thin and lack power. Using equalization or EQ is one way to help shape the bass frequencies in your productions. It ensures they don't overpower elements like vocals or lead instruments. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.